Here we go.
I'm not doing stuff.
Alright.
Sure.
We got the, what is it? 200K mystery box, right?
FP200K Mystery box. Yeah.
Unboxing. So, we'll get started here.
Can you not zoom in it during recording?
I don't think so.
Oh. Can you just bring it towards you or something?
Whatever you want.
Yeah. I invited him.
You told him to come?
Yeah.
You just gotta practice though.
Ooh, made in China.
Made in China. Oh. Ready. What is this?
Take the order sheet, probably.
Yeah, order sheet with your address. Keep that separate. Ooh, what is this?
MP. What the heck? Okay. Interesting.
Huh.
How about just get the box out of the place and...
Oh, I got a lot of...
Oh, I'm just up there.
A lot of...
That's the battery or...
I definitely have a little pouch.
Tactical packing paper. It's like the best thing ever.
Yeah.
What did you get?
Some crap. I don't know what that is.
The Airsoft gearbox work. Maybe you got an AK, I don't know. Gameplay guide. AG battery basics. Ooh, voucher.
Oh.
You got a voucher for... I cannot read. Oh, $5.
Oh, okay.
Alright, let's go.
Give it back to you.
That's the exact same price I paid for like the thing. Ooh, AGM.
Nice.
Is it metal?
Yeah. Oh, sweet.
M-16, I assume?
Nice.
It's English.
Ooh,
huge battery.
huge battery. Damn.
Wow.
I'm liking this thing. Feels good. Oh, liking this. Feels good.
Okay, so can you give me like the specs or your first look? Like, is it metal? Is it...
It's metal, it's all metal. Yeah.
Wait, can you see the other side?
Other
Is this blowback? Oh, I love
side? Is it really? Oh my
Ugh.
god.
Does the charging handle work? Oh, something just fell out.
Is it really? If I broke something already, I think I did. It was the metal piece.
This no function blowback gun. Press the copper. Then you press that. Oh, this thing broke.
Ow.
I can take it apart and put it back together. For construction. Okay, first breaking.
Breaking of the news.